Yeah, hello everyone. Day 123 here at Industrial Fabrication Company. Lots of good progress today. We have the platform up on its side. You can kind of see down the length of it there. It's definitely a behemoth, but very nice and straight. So really lots of good effort there. But we've been going through and putting welds in across. So it's easier to do welds while it's horizontal and flat. So have it flipped up in that position and held steady by the cranes. Yeah, lots of great progress there. I think kind of better than we were anticipating on that. So that's great to see. And by kind of on this, yesterday we were dealing with the same situation, having both cranes, but we need to use them elsewhere. So we did some discussion today on bottlenecks. And essentially, we have one bottleneck. If we feel like it's moving around, it's because we're not managed properly. But there should be one area that is, really focused, funneling our resources through and limiting what's happening. So, we're going to be, paying more attention to that as we're now really busy. It's not easy for that to hide. Whereas, when we're not, at 100% capacity, that bottleneck's not too big of an issue. And, managerial, like how we're allocating resources is a bigger problem, but now that bottleneck can be an issue for us. So I had some discussion there. We got 2 frames ready for weld inspection tomorrow, and these were the gussets that we recommended to the customer that we add them in to help bring this plate flat and then have them for the next 12 that we're going to do. And we'll just make that a lot more sturdy. And we're planning to suggest we do the same thing here. So have a gusset here, 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 and here as well. That will kind of prevent that from flexing out when it's under load. So hope that goes through and gets approved and can help things out. And yeah, I was working on some higher level improvements, which hopefully have more to share on that here soon for the next round of benders. Now that we have the Google ads going and we're getting a ton of traffic to our store, we want to make sure we're going to be ready to meet that demand and not have a ton of waste in that process. So a few changes going there. And I know Andrew was working on some improvements for how he's doing drawings, and we had some changes from one of the things that one of the projects that we sent out that we're working on. And once we get that, we'll if I have that video, I'll throw it in here of what those changes were for the stream deck on those drawing improvements. And yeah, all in all, good day. I'm ready for another good one tomorrow. Sign off for now.